Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice square root math problem, which is the square root of x. This is equal to 9 minus square root of x minus 9. So what is the value of x? Let's prevent a solution from here. Now, let's take minus square root of x minus 9 on the left hand side, so that here we have square root of x plus square root of x minus 9. This is equal to 9. So the first thing to do here, let's square both sides. Let's square both sides so that square root of x plus square root of x minus 9 squared. This is in the form of a plus b squared, which is actually equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2 times ab. Let's apply this algebraic identity so that here we have square root of x squared, then plus square root of x minus 9 squared, then plus. Here we have 2 times square root of x times square root of x minus 9. This is equal to 9 squared, which is equal to 81. The next step is square root of x squared. We eliminate the square root sign, so this is x plus square root of x minus 9 squared. We eliminate the square root sign, so this is x minus 9, then plus, this is 2 times square root of x times square root of x minus 9, and this is actually in the form of square root of a times square root of b, which we can express as square root of a times b. Let's apply this property. Square root of x times x minus 9, this is equal to 81. Now we have x plus x, this is 2x, subtract 9, then plus 2 into, that is square root of x, x times x, this is x squared, minus x times minus 9, this is minus 9x, this is equal to 81. The next step is that let's take minus 9 on the right hand side so that we have 2x plus 2 square root of x squared minus 9x. This is equal to 81 plus 9. So this implies from here that we have, that is 2x plus 2 into the that is square root of x squared minus 9x. This is equal to 90. Let's take 2x on the right hand side so that we have 2 square root of x squared minus 9x. This is equal to 90 minus 2x. Now the next step is to square both sides. Let's square both sides from here, and you find that 2 times square root of x squared minus 9x, this is actually in the form of ab squared, which you can express as a squared times b squared. Let's apply this property so that now this is 2 squared times square root of x squared minus 9x, everything here squared. This is equal to 90 minus 2x squared. So 2 squared, this is 4 times square root of x squared minus 9x squared. We eliminate the square root sign. So this is 4 times x squared minus 9x. This is equal to 90 minus 2x squared. So this is 4 times x. This is 4x squared minus 4 times minus 9x. This is minus 36x. This is equal to, this is 90 squared. We have 90 squared, then plus, this is 2x squared, then subtract 2 times 90 times 2x. So this implies here we have 4x squared minus 36x. This is equal to 90 squared. This is 8100. Then plus 2x squared. This is 4x squared. Subtract 90 times 2. This is 180 times 2. This is minus 360x. So that now the next step is that 4x squared and 4x simplifies, so that we have minus 36x. This is equal to 8100 minus 360x. Now from here, let's take minus 360x on the left hand side, so that we have minus 36x plus 360x. This is equal to 8100. So minus 36x plus 360x, this is 324x. This is equal to 8100. Let's divide both sides by 324. So here we have 324. Let's simplify here, so that x is equal to 8100 divided by 324. So let's simplify from here. By 9, 8100 divided by 9, this is 900. 324 divided by 9, this is equal to 36. The next thing is that we can divide here. 36 divided by 9, this is 4. And here we have 100. So if you see 100 divided by 4, this is the same thing as 25. So we have that x is equal to 25. So this is the value of x. The next step is to verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. Let's verify from here. Now, if you recall, we have that the square root of x is equal to 9 minus square root of x minus 9. So this implies that here we have the square root of 25. This is equal to 9 minus square root of 25, subtract 9. So square root of 25, this is 5. This is equal to 9 minus square root of 25 minus 9, which is equal to 16. So here we have 5 is equal to 9 minus square root of 16, this is equal to 4. So therefore, here we have 5 is equal to 9 minus 4, which is equal to 5. So this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this implies that the value of x, which is equal to 25, satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.